Hello, how are you? Here today my video is about silkies. Silky chickens are one of the most unique and beautiful birds in the world. With their fluffy, soft feathers, they are looking more like a little ball of cotton than a regular chicken. Red silkies, in particular, have a warm golden red shade that makes them even more eye-catching. Their feathers feel like silk, which is why they are called silkies. But they are not just beautiful, they are very calm and friendly. If you like our video, so like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.